Winning the lottery doesn't have to be the only hope to break even financially and live your ultimate lifestyle in 2022. If trading all your best time each day for not as much money as you'd like is getting you down, I'm here to tell you today, complete beginners like you are building profitable online businesses from scratch so that you can start living a happier, healthier and much more well-balanced lifestyle. And if you're ready to remove that Sunday night anxiety of having to get to a job on Monday that just is not meeting your needs anymore, then click the Learn More button, as I've got some free training videos to help people who want to have digital skills in their back pocket to start living life on their own terms. And what you'll find is the training takes all the guesswork out of launching your own online business and gives you the exact blueprint to quickly set you on your way to growing your income online. And the great thing is that is without needing any existing products, services, or even having any idea about what you might do online. You could be like my old mate Mike, no previous experience online, who's completely replaced his income within 6 months, and now he's got 3 online businesses working less than 10 hours a week. What a dream that is. And if you want to be like Mike and have the ability to earn an income from home or wherever you are with an internet connection and your laptop, then click the Learn More button. Drop me your details to find out what online strategy is going to suit you and your current lifestyle the best. Just take a moment to picture what you would do with your life, with your day, if you had the digital skills to do a job just once and then it made you money in your sleep. Surely having a business work for you instead of you working for a business would enable you to live a well-funded and sensational lifestyle, not just for you, but for your family as well. Now, you could carry on dreading those Monday mornings, enjoying an average wage, working 40 plus hours a week, living a bang average lifestyle. Or you could take this opportunity to take charge of your own destiny, build something you can rely on, something you love. So then all you gotta do is click the Learn More button, drop me your details, and I'll send you the free training series that got me started straight to your inbox. Remember, you're the one with the power to live life on your own terms. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.